Welcome to another exclusive home tour by a local builder named aDoor. Today we've got a sneak peek into the Cartwright Model, and this is a newer subdivision within a well-established area, but they've renovated and brought these brand new homes to the market. This one specifically is called the Cartwright, and it's on the block at Bartels, just west of downtown Pensacola. This builder is only local, they do really high-end stuff, and this home is truly a bargain for under $500,000. I've got a great relationship with the builder. My name's Levi Fortner. I'm with LPT Realty and I run the Fortner Group here. If you want to stay up to date with all the local builders, new construction, homes for sale, things off market, and just stay on top of what's going on here, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and here's a sneak peek into the Cartwright Model at the block at Bartels. Real quick, right before we jump into it, I wanted to show you a couple of the other models available. If you're looking for more bedrooms, different square footage, or different price points, just let us know. But welcome to 1560 West Romana Street, downtown Pensacola. This is a beautiful Southern style home featuring 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, coming in at 1,880 square foot. And it's currently listed at $464,000. You have a beautiful open style kitchen with luxurious quartz countertops. You actually have a walk-in pantry there right behind that sliding barn door. You have the main bedroom down this hallway with a full guest bathroom, and the 1 bedroom is mainly downstairs. You're going to have an additional 2 upstairs. So kind of a split floor plan. And down here you have a full laundry / mudroom, room for washer and dryer on each side, a little bit of storage above each one, and some additional storage or linen closet, coat closet here, just off the back door when you would come in from parking your car. You have rear street parking, and this is the main bedroom with vaulted ceilings and a beautiful ensuite bathroom, walk-in shower, walk-in closet, its own closable bathroom, and a his and hers vanity. The rest of the home is stunning. Stay tuned. Again, this builder is aDoor. They do really high-end finishes here. Just compared to some of the other homes that I've showed on this channel, definitely a great bang for your buck. And this home was actually originally listed over $500,000, so they've made some recent price decreases. And if you're interested in this kind of thing, if you're looking to get a deal, again, we've got some awesome connections with the builder. We'll be happy to make those connections for you and help make some negotiation happen. Without further ado, guys, take a look. truly hope that you enjoyed looking in this brand new construction home, that we were able to get you a sneak peek inside. My name's Levi, I'm with LPT Realty and I run the Fortner Group here in Pensacola. If you like this kind of content or you just want to stay on top of the market, seeing new construction, everything real estate related, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys soon.